Okay, here goes a little experiment. I am going to be properly reconing this speaker, but just for fun, I'm going to try to take the torn out shreds of paper in the cone and replace them where they go, hold them in with tape, and Modge-Poge the back of the speaker, see if it'll hold it in place, and test it. Now, I only use these speakers with a subwoofer as well, so the from 250 hertz below is cut off on this, so it's not, you know, it's crossed over, so I'm not worried about heavy bass response in the short term. So we'll see how this goes. Okay, Modge-Poge is complete. I don't want to say successful, but it's complete. Strips of construction paper with Modge-Poge on that side, and then we'll tip it over so we can see the back. See, the back has similar Modge-Poge all around and some construction paper holding it together. We will see how successful this project is tomorrow. And here we have our, let's call it finished product, Modge-Poged up with construction paper and some painter's tape. Filled in the empty spaces, hopefully making good contact to the surround. We'll see how this does. Again, I'm going to be using it with a subwoofer, so there won't be any real bass information coming out of this. It's just going to be responsible for some low mid to mid range, and of course there's the tweeter there. So it's crossed over on the high end as well. Let's see how we do. It's all dry after an overnight sitting on heaters and you know, really dry humidity, so it should be stiff. The middle. So here we go, Franken speaker part 4 here, and you can see it's completely assembled. I have it with the subwoofer. And obviously there's the tweeter there. Alright, and now we're going to turn it up so you can hear a little music. Sabrina, hold on.
Strike the pose. Strike the pose.
And here's the other one. So I can feel it vibrating. I've rolled it off from 100 hertz and below. So everything 100 hertz up to wherever the tweeter cuts in is going through that speaker now. And it's actually holding together and not blasting apart. We're going to do a little experiment here. We're going to go up to, let's go up to -5 for a few seconds.